Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
You are the only truth. You are the highest truth. You are the eternal truth. In spite of being the highest truth, in spite of being the unborn truth, in spite of being the unending truth, you fall a prey to the duality show, which is not you, which is never you. You are already and always in your original state, in the non-dual state, in the ultimate state. Once the duality appears, you are trapped by the duality show, where there is no reality. You are already prior to the manifested duality. You are beginningless and endless and ever present in your original state. Though you are ever present, you are trapped by the duality show, which is time-based, which appears and disappears for a very shorter duration. Why you are trapped by the duality show, which is time-based? Because you are yet to know that you are beyond time, beyond duality, and you are already prior to the manifested form in space. Only forms appear, move and disappear. By not knowing your eternal richness beyond the form manifestation, you accept that you are the form. By accepting that you are the form, you accept all the identifications added to the form, and by accepting the form to be yourself, you are under constant fear of losing the form. Through constant fear, through constant identifications, you are unable to know what you are and where you are. You are already in the non-dual state, prior to the duality. Still you are trapped by the duality show, which is never you. Why? Because you are yet to know that you are already in the non-dual state. You never die because you are never born, but still you accept that you are born, that you are suffering, that you are going to disappear at the form level. Why? Because your consciousness is still sleeping at the duality level. Why your consciousness is sleeping at the duality level? Because it is yet to wake up to realize that it is already in the unborn state, that it is already in the beginningless state, that it is already in the endless state, that it is already prior to the dreamy duality. And your consciousness knows its presence as I amness through the form, but unknowingly it accepts itself to be the form, not knowing that all forms happen only out of your consciousness. The greatest richness of your eternal consciousness remains unknown to itself. Why your consciousness remains ignorant about itself? Because still it is accepting itself to be the form, to be born, to be suffering. Why? Because it is yet to know its unending richness, unborn richness, prior to duality. How to know that your consciousness is unborn? How to know that your consciousness is beyond death? How to know that your consciousness is eternally, endlessly, ever present? How to know that your consciousness is already prior to that duality show? Just close your eyes. Simply by closing your eyes, you remain free from the duality show just now. By closing eyes, without words, you know that you are just now. You don't require any words to know that you are. Even without words, you know that you are. This knowing your presence without words is your consciousness as I amness. You know that you are as I amness. This knowing itself is by consciousness. There are no persons ever here. Every movement, every appearances, and every disappearances is exclusively happening just now spontaneously in your consciousness. Now, with the eyes closed, you know that you are. You are very much conscious of your presence. That's why you are able to receive these teachings. So in your conscious state, this teaching is being received just now, and your consciousness is unchanging, unmoving, and ever present. Your consciousness is beyond appearances and disappearances. I tell you, truth does not appear and disappear. Truth is unmoving, unchanging. Now you know the stillness within, which is unmoving and unchanging. And your consciousness is unmoving and unchanging. Just now you know it directly. It's not a theory. Practically you know the stillness within, which is unmoving and unchanging. Now, in this stillness, your consciousness is conscious of itself. All these days, with eyes open, your consciousness was identifying itself to be a person, to be the form, to be the identifications, and more into the duality dream. Just by closing your eyes, your consciousness knows its conscious state, which never moves, which never changes, which is ever present. The truth about your consciousness is known in stillness. This stillness is the beginning of your conscious state. To know the stillness, you need not do anything. Just simply close your eyes, that's all. By closing your eyes, you come to know the stillness within. By knowing the stillness, you come to know the conscious state within. By knowing the conscious state, your consciousness is conscious of itself. This is only the beginning of the wakefulness. Only when you close your eyes and know the stillness, your consciousness remains wakeful. Wakeful from what? From the perceived duality. Just now, with eyes closed, you remain wakeful inwardly. Why I say inwardly? Because the moment you open your eyes, entire manifestation appear and you are trapped through manifested objects, through identifications, and remain struggling and suffering endlessly throughout the waking state. Now, by closing your eyes, you come to know the conscious state, which is beyond space. With eyes open, you perceive objects in space. With eyes closed, you know the conscious state beyond space. Beyond space means there's no movement, there's neither appearances nor disappearances. With eyes open, again you are trapped by the movements, by the appearances, by the objects, by the sound, by the knowledge. Again trapped. Your consciousness sleeps endlessly by accepting itself to be a person, to be the form, with eyes open. At the same moment, by closing your eyes, your consciousness remains wakeful and it is freeing itself from the form level identifications, and it is freeing itself from the word level identifications, and it is freeing itself from the knowledge related to the objects in space. So by closing your eyes, your consciousness is totally free from the space level, dream level, duality level, which is never you, which is not you. So only by closing your eyes, you come to know the conscious state within, you come to know the stillness within, and your consciousness remains wakeful. So to remain wakeful, you need not go anywhere, you need not do any effort, you need not spend any time. Just close your eyes, because right now you are in your original destination beyond space. You are already beyond space, but how to know that state which is beyond space? That's why by simply closing your eyes, you come to know your beyondness, prior to form, prior to object, prior to movement, prior to changes, prior to appearances and disappearances. In this state, I call this as conscious state, where there is no movement, which is beyond words. In this state, which is already the non-dual state, which is your original state, you remain free totally from the perceived duality. Now you are beyond space, beyond duality, and nothing affects you. Now you know the peace within. And who observes the peace? And who can observe the peace just now? Now you only observe the peace, the stillness within. Inwardly there's no objects, there's no movement. So you remain cool, relaxed, peaceful and joyful, because there's no object to identify with. By not identifying any objects, you remain free from words. By remaining free from words, you are already in your original state. Now you know how to observe silently. I help you to observe silently. Once you know to observe silently the way you are now, even when eyes are open, you know to observe silently. Whatever the duality show may be, whatever the manifested show may be, whatever the dreamy show may be, nothing affects you once you know to observe silently without words. Now I help you to know the conscious state inwardly beyond words, and also I help you to observe silently without words. Once you listen to this teaching sincerely, you cannot miss yourself. You cannot remain sleeping. Rather, you remain more conscious of yourself inwardly and remain wakeful inwardly, so that realization is possible through total wakefulness. The basic point is that your consciousness does not know that it is consciousness. Still, it is accepting itself to be a form, to be the person, and through strong identification that it is a person, that it is the form, it is unable to wake up from the dream issue. The moment you accept that you are the form, you are inside the dream, unable to wake up. Now, I wake up your consciousness, which is identifying itself to be a person, to be the form, by making your consciousness conscious of itself. The basic point is that your consciousness is not at all conscious of itself. That's why it is sleeping. So I am helping your consciousness to be conscious of itself. Your consciousness is beyond duality. Once your consciousness knows its non-dual state, its beyondness prior to duality, can it fall a prey to the duality show? Never. Since your consciousness does not know its non-dual state, does not know its unmoving state, does not know its unchanging state, it goes on accepting itself to be the form, to be born, to be a person, to be the personality, to be the knowledge, to be the identifications, and endlessly it appears to suffer, struggle, where? Inside the dream. But how to know that you are inside the dream? You can never know that you are inside the dream till you wake up. Because in deep sleep, the dream appears, the dream goes on spontaneously, and you go on observe the dream, not knowing that it is a dream. When did you come to know that it is a dream? Only when you wake up from the dream. Exactly here, you are unable to know that you are inside the dream. Why? Because you are yet to wake up. So here, the points to be noted is that your consciousness is sleeping by not being conscious of itself, by sleeping unknowingly at the form level. Your consciousness accepts the dream to be real, the duality to be real. Only when your consciousness comes across a realized, it has the possibility to know the conscious state. It has the possibility to know that it is still sleeping, and it has the possibility to know that it can wake up and know what it is and where it is. Exactly here, inside your dream, now I am appearing and waking up your consciousness and reminding your consciousness that you are a conscious being and you are already beyond duality. And in your original state, nothing never happens to you. Just wake up. And I not only say to wake up, and I also help you how to remain wakeful constantly, consistently, and how to settle in stillness constantly, consistently, and how to stabilize in stillness constantly and consistently. Had your listening is total, your consciousness would not fail to wake up. I am certain that your consciousness, which is accepting itself to be a person, to be the form, to be born, to be suffering, will listen to this teaching sincerely and start knowing its immense richness in stillness beyond words, beyond duality, beyond knowledge. By settling in stillness inwardly the way you are now. Here, throughout my teachings, I help you to close your eyes and know the stillness within. Only in stillness, your consciousness is conscious of itself. Only in stillness, your consciousness knows its conscious state. That's why I make you know the stillness initially, and I make you more conscious of yourself inwardly, so that this teaching will penetrate your consciousness and help your consciousness not to sleep anymore and to wake up totally, to realize that it is already that and always that. I see to that you should not miss the absolute truth about yourself, because you are already the highest truth and you are the only truth. There's no truth other than you. Here you means your consciousness. I address my teachings exclusively to the consciousness within, which is unknowingly sleeping. By accepting itself to be a form, to be born, to be inside this space level show. Your consciousness knows the observer only when it wakes up totally. Till your consciousness knows the observer through total wakefulness, it falls a prey to the duality show, where there's no reality. I go on emphasize your consciousness. I go on remind your consciousness that you are only consciousness. But how to know that you are a consciousness? How to know the consciousness within? This consciousness is not a word, it is beyond words. How to know the state which is beyond words? And within duality, everything is constantly moving. And your consciousness is unmoving. And how to know the unmoving state? Beyond movements. And in this duality, everything is constantly changing. Your consciousness is unchanging. And how to know the unchanging state? Beyond duality. The only way is simply close your eyes the way you are now and start knowing the stillness within as you are now. This is the only possibility for your consciousness to know its conscious state inwardly and to wake up totally. In stillness, you are one with the source, because your consciousness is already in the source of awareness. It is like you are lying down in the bed and in your deep sleep some dream happens spontaneously. And you are going on getting trapped by the perceived duality dream as if everything is real. But originally you are lying down in the bed. Nothing never happens to you. But you are unable to know that you are lying down in your bed and sleeping. Why you are unable to know that you are lying down in the bed, and why you are accepting the perceived dream to be yourself? Because you are not conscious of your presence. Had you known your presence, that you are lying down in the bed, then you would not fall a prey to the perceived dream in deep sleep. Exactly here, your consciousness is yet to know where it is and what it is. Till then, it is trapped by the duality show, which happens for a shorter duration. That's why I say your consciousness is never separate from the source of awareness. It is ever in the source of awareness, but it is yet to wake up to know that it is already in the source and that it is already the non-dual and nothing never happens to it. Your consciousness is already non-dual and unborn. Still, by not knowing its original state, it is trapped by the short time-based, elemental-based movement based, knowledge based, word based duality show, which appears and disappears, at an unexplainable speed. Why your consciousness falls a prey to the duality show? Because it is still identifying itself to be the form. It is still identifying itself to be a person. It is still identifying itself to be born. It is still identifying itself to be suffering. Originally, nothing never happens to your conscious state in its non-dual state. And all that appear and disappear and all that sufferings are exclusively in space at the duality level. Once your consciousness knows it is a non-dual state, can it fall a prey to the duality dreamy state, which appears and disappears? Never. So your consciousness needs to know that it is already in the non-dual state. Non-dual means where there is no division, no movement, neither appearances nor disappearances. And this non-dual state can be known only by closing eyes and knowing the stillness within. So here, I help your consciousness to know the stillness inwardly, constantly, consistently, so that your consciousness can never miss its conscious state. I go on emphasize to settle inwardly, because unless your consciousness settles inwardly, there's no possibility for your consciousness to wake up totally. In stillness, you are already one with the source. That's why you remain so relaxed, peaceful and joyful inwardly. Inwardly, nothing never happens to you. Inwardly, you are already peaceful. Inwardly, you are already joyful. Inwardly, you are utterly relaxed. You need nothing inwardly because you are already that. Inwardly, you are already that and always that. Outwardly, so many things appear to happen, appear, disappear. Where they all happen? Only in your conscious state. And where is your consciousness? In the non-dual state. So once your consciousness knows its non-dual state, it remains free from the perceived duality state, and it remains peaceful and joyful irrespective of the spontaneous happenings which happen in space. And your consciousness knows that whatever perceived in space is exclusively an unreal play, an unreal dream. Because here in space, every object, every form and the entire manifested duality is happening spontaneously, exclusively by the play of the elements. There are never any person here. Unknowingly, your consciousness accepts itself to be a person, and unknowingly your consciousness appears to suffer inside the dream, and unknowingly your consciousness sleeps. Knowingly means your consciousness knowing its conscious state. Once your consciousness knows its conscious state, it cannot accept the duality show to be real. It cannot accept any suffering inside the dream to be real. It can neither accept itself to be the form, to be born, to be suffering, to be struggling. Your consciousness wakes up totally and knows its original state, which is already beyond birth and death. I tell you, to wake up, all that need to be done is your consciousness knowing the stillness inwardly, constantly and consistently. Because in stillness, your consciousness is merging in the source. of awareness. Through constant merging in awareness, your consciousness wakes up. That's why I say, you are never separate from me in stillness. You are one with me in stillness. I always say, be with me beyond words. I am ever with you beyond words. And observe silently. Wakefulness is certain, realization is certain. Wake up totally. Wake up totally to realize that you are already that and always that. I am ever with you. Never miss the highest truth about yourself, which is eternally ever present. Wake up and know.